Piaggio India has launched the Vespa Racing 60 Special Edition scooters in India in the 125cc and the 150cc iterations. The Vespa Racing 60's SXL 125 is priced at 1,19,000 rupees, while the more powerful SXL 150 is priced at 1,32,000 rupees, all prices ex-showroom. The new special edition versions will be sold alongside the standard color options and revive the sporty livery from the racing vehicles of the 1960s. The Racing 60s edition was also showcased at the 2020 Auto Expo. Bookings for the new special edition models have begun at dealerships and the company's online sales platform for a token amount of 1,000 rupees. Customers booking the scooter online can avail benefits worth 2,000 rupees. The Vespa Racing 60s command a premium of about 5,000 to 6,000 rupees over the standard versions. For the extra expense, the special edition models come with an all-white paint job with red racing stripes and gold graphics, gold-finished 5-spoke petrol alloy wheels, and a new contoured seats. On the mechanical front, the Vespa Racing 60s edition do not get any upgrades. Honda Cars India has announced that the company has discontinued the range-topping variants of the previous generation Honda City. The older generation model was not pulled off the shelves when the 5th generation version arrived earlier this year. However, the automaker has now decided that the old Honda City will be now sold in two variants, the SV and V trims, priced at 9,30,000 rupees and 10 lakh rupees respectively. All prices are ex-showroom Delhi. With the distinction between the two versions more evident, the company hopes to offer a wider choice of options to customers. The 2020 Honda City is priced from 10,89,000 rupees for the V trim, which brings a sizable difference of 1,59,000 rupees between the older generation and the new generation models. Similarly, the VX manual variant is priced at 12,25,000 rupees on the new version, which is 2,25,000 rupees more than the previous generation model. The Kia Sonet will be launched in September this year and we'll know more about the car soon. However, we now know the fuel efficiency figures of the various engines on offer, and the Kia Sonet with the 1.2-litre naturally aspirated petrol engine will be offered with only a manual gearbox and return an ARAI claimed fuel efficiency figure of 18.4 km per litre. Will also sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in 13.3 seconds. The 1-litre turbo JDI petrol engine on the Sonet will be offered with a 7-speed DCT and the IMT transmission. The 7-speed DCT will offer a fuel efficiency figure of 18.3 km per litre with a 0 to 100 km per hour time of 11.3 seconds. The IMT variant will be just 1 second slower from 0 to 100 km per hour while returning a fuel efficiency figure of 18.2 km per litre. The diesel manual variant of the Sonet has a claimed fuel economy of 24.1 km per litre and 0 to 100 km per hour sprint time of 12.3 seconds. The 6-speed automatic variant of the diesel Sonet gets a claimed fuel economy of 19 km per litre.
Everything that's hot, new, exciting and relevant for you from the automobile world is on our Car and Bike channel. Don't forget to subscribe.